How to explore trending content on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you explore trending content on LinkedIn. You can explore trending content on LinkedIn by clicking the what people are talking about box on your feed. So open up your LinkedIn app on your device. After which, what you need is make sure that the application is updated to the latest version. And now then, to begin with, you simply want to go ahead and on your LinkedIn homepage, look for people or look for the what people are talking about box, which features the day trending stories. This content is cluttered by editor and personalized to your professional interest as well. So basically, you want to tap on this button, or you'll be able to find the suggested as well, or you could go to my networking, or maybe you could go to notifications, and this way as well you'll be able to find a trending content. You could also use content suggestion as well and find trending videos topic as well, and then you could also track your own trending content, and this way you'll be able to explore trending content on LinkedIn. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.